All right, here is a problem where we want to take a string s and convert every uppercase letter to lowercase. Okay, so in going through a lot of these problems in general, sometimes we're able to come up with really quick solutions, and sometimes our solutions will be slower. And there you go. Well, this one actually is a bit slower. But yeah, so basically this is really, I mean, this sort of section of problems is called built-in functions. I believe it's something like that. Right? Yeah, it's built-in functions. So really, if you know the built-in functions, then that's the key to this problem. And here, Python has a function, and basically you can just use the lower function here that's just built into Python to lower all of the characters. And so if you know that that is a thing, then this problem is trivial. And so that's it.